Hey guys, just shooting this quick video to show you what's possible with Facebook's in-stream ads. What I'm showing you here is what we've done the week before Christmas. As you can see here, we earned a little bit over $3 grand in 7 days. That's actually down a little bit, but you can see what's going on here. So December 18th to the 24th, averaging 400 and some odd dollars a day, 450-ish, something in that range. So we're also going to show you some of the performance and followers we've gotten, and that it's 100% organic traffic. There you go. There's some insights, some performance insights. What they show you here is the minutes viewed. So 10.7 million minutes viewed. That's up. And as you can see over here, that is 100% organic traffic. We do cross-post to some of our other pages because we've been working at this for a while, but just want to show you what's possible, and that some of the gurus out there that tell you organic traffic on Facebook pages is dead, we're here to tell you, if you know what you're doing, it is absolutely 100% not dead. And as you can see here, during that 7-day lead up to Christmas, the December 18th to the 24th, we've picked up 14.4K net followers. Obviously, you do lose some along the way, which is perfectly fine. So that's averaging about 2,000 new followers a day, increasing the audience, which in using the in-stream ads, that will also increase the likelihood that you're going to earn a little bit more money. The more people you have that are possible to see your content, the more likely it's going to be monetized, and you'll have more return on that. Just a little bit here, you can see returning viewers. That's doing pretty well. Here, it doesn't really show you the exact same week that I was showing above, but you can see here that's getting better and better over time. This one over here is only just a couple days, so obviously it looks like this week will outperform the past week there. So just wanted to show you guys what's possible, and if you look in the description below, if you're watching this on YouTube, you will see a link to a course that we put together that's going to show you all of the different tips and tricks that we've learned over the past I'd say really this year. Most of 2019 we've been working on this in-stream program specifically. And here I'll give you an example of what you can do over time. This is since September 1st through December 24th. So that's 115 days, or since the beginning of September. As you can see here, you have better days. Some days you absolutely smash, and other days, you don't do as well. Not that $400 is anything to shake a stick at for a daily earning, but just to give you an idea, there are ups and downs with it. You can see here 120. We really started getting the hang of this here. And like I said before, if you look in the link below, the description below, there's a link to our course to show you what we learned over this period of time and beyond, give you a bunch of tips and tricks on how we operate this and some of the pitfalls to avoid. So check it out below. Thanks, guys.